In the ever-evolving world of book publishing, authors face immense challenges in getting their work noticed and achieving commercial success. With millions of books available on Amazon, standing out requires more than just talent. It demands strategic decision-making based on solid data. Enter KDSPY Pro, a powerful browser plugin designed to provide authors with invaluable insights into the Amazon book market, helping them optimize their publishing strategies for greater success. KDSPY Pro is a sophisticated browser plugin compatible with popular browsers like Firefox and Chrome. It aggregates extensive data about Amazon books, including bestsellers, competition levels, and keyword performance. This tool is tailored for authors, offering them the information needed to make informed, data-driven decisions that can significantly enhance their publishing success. One of the standout features of KDSPY Pro is its seamless integration with web browsers. Authors don't need to install any separate software. They simply click on the KDSPY icon while browsing Amazon's website. This immediate access to critical data makes it a convenient and efficient tool for authors. Finding the right keywords is crucial for an author's book to be discovered by readers. KDSPY Pro analyzes the most frequently used keywords among bestsellers, showing how a book's performance changes over time. Authors can uncover which keywords are driving sales and adjust their strategy accordingly. KDSPY Pro allows authors to track the performance of their books and their competitors' books over time. This feature provides data on the Kindle, paperback, and hardcover versions of a book, helping authors understand market trends and make necessary adjustments to their marketing strategies. With KDSPY Pro, authors can reverse engineer any category on Amazon. By analyzing the top-performing books, they can discover the factors contributing to these books' success, such as common keywords, average prices, and the typical number of reviews. This information is invaluable for authors looking to emulate successful strategies. Thanks for watching.